in this tutorial I will show you line segment tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into it. You can access line segment tool from this stack. I am right clicking here and this is line segment tool, which shortcut is slash. It is, you can draw, creates line in freehand. Click here and just draw a line, or you can create click and hold on shift to create a perfect straight line. Okay, so you can, it is basically create perfect lines. Okay, so you can see now I am in selection tool. I am hold on alter to create a copy. Okay, so now if I am, you can see that here is a perfect lines with the matching here. Now if I select direct selection tool and here I am selecting and connect selected points, so you can see now it is connected with the shape. Okay, connected with the shape. Also, if you, I am on the line segment tool, if you hold down, check it, I am creating a line, and if you hold down, I am undoing it, I am creating a line, and if you hold down tilde keyboard from tilde, now you can able to create a background using this tool. See how easily you can create a background similar like this. So this was for this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe this channel, my channel. Keep editing.